Chicken Binacoles is one of those recipes na masasabi mong truling Pinoy. Kada cafe for me, just the pure honesty of wanting you to be disconnected and just reflect on what you have.
Paglalabas kayo actually ng Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, these are the places that Japanese people like to go to.
Ano man ang trip mo, sasakyan natin yan dahil kakasako sa food adventure na hanap mo. Ready ka na?
Effective.
Bini.
Hi, I'm Joanna. Hi, I'm Malloy. I'm Colette. Hi, everyone. It's Lisa. Hi, I'm Stacy. I'm Gwen. Hi, I'm Aya. Hi, I'm Sheena. And we are Beanie.
Maraming salamat. Welcome to the program.
Thank you.
Kung may isusumbong kayo sa salamin, Stacy, ito na yung diretsahan na ito. Noon, lalo na noon sa kayo, may mga nagsasabing hindi kayo sisika. Sa kanilang lahat noon na nagduda sa kakayahan ninyong sumika, ano ang nais mo sabihin?
Sa mga nagsabi na hindi kami sisikat, thank you so much for inspiring us. Kasi sila talaga yung nag-push sa amin, sila yung nag-inspire para mag-work harder kami. And ayun, parang at the end of the day, meron pa rin yung parang affected kami, pero hindi kami magpapatalo. Kasi mga dummy account ng mga yan na nagtatalo. So, dead ma.
Sa mga nagsasabi po na hindi kami magaling, we respect your opinion, but if you can make constructive criticisms na lang po, rather than generic statements, para mas matulungan po kami mag-improve. Mas okay po yun. Ako po, personally, pinipili ko lang yung mga ipapasok ko sa utak ko para for my peace na rin po. Ayun, pag sobrang negative, parang hindi mo naman na kailangan
Binaba mo?
Opo.
Okay.
We get that they are very excited and you can't blame them kasi if example ako kung makita ko si Taylor Swift parang gusto ko din gan pero sometimes kulang lang din sila ng awareness na okay, we're crossing the line na pag they wanna go to the restroom, okay, let them first because they're human beings and they deserve to have that time. I'm not just saying this kasi they always see us in front of the cameras and ang daming natitrigger po ng word na privacy versus public figure. Pero kasi parang it doesn't go hand in hand. Pero I think everyone, no matter who you are, you're entitled to have your own privacy.
How do you handle competition?
For us, I think we handle competition in a healthy way naman. We take the competition and we use that as motivation for us to do even better. But we don't want to bring them down through that competition. You know? For the other groups or different artists, we really want to support them. We support OPM and we hope that OPM rises all together and not just us.
Rico Blanco. Did you get a chance to talk to him after that?
Hindi na po. Pero siguro, yung last na pag-usapan namin, gusto niya bumili ng merch ko ng Beanie. Tinanong ko. Hindi na po namin address yung issue ko.
Okay. Alright. Ang importante lang na, Chef, hindi totoo, let's move on. Okay, Aya, dinidikit ang iyong ang pangalan ni Jack Roberto sa iyo. Where is this coming from?
Anong klaseng foodie ka? Ikaw ba yung naghahanap ng makakain sa mataong lugar na dinadayo dahil sa taglay nitong unique food discoveries?
1, 2, 3.
At mga taong may nakakabusog na kwento?
Tita Rose, ano yung secret?
Pagmamahal.
Pagmamahal.
O mas ginaganahan kang kumain sa lugar na tahimik, where you can commune with nature and reconnect with your inner self.
Kada cafe for me, just the pure honesty of wanting you to be disconnected and just reflect on what you have.
Yung trees, no, nitong environment natin, which is very Japanese. Paglalabas kayo actually ng Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, these are the places that Japanese people like to go to.
Ano man ang trip mo, sasakyan natin yan. Dahil kakasako sa food adventure na hanap mo. Ready ka na?
Diba? Effective. Chicken binacoles is one of those recipes na masasabi mong truling Pinoy. Nag-originate ito sa Western Visayas. Particularly, if I'm not mistaken, Aklan, even in Panay Island. And of course, dito sa bandang Batangas, Quezon, kumbaga kung saang lugar man na napaka-obvious ng combination ng buko tsaka ng manok. Here we're using one of their farm-raised chickens. Makita nyo, medyo jumbo ito. Free range, sabi nga natin. So yung pinaka-dark meat, yung na-chop na natin, lagay lang tayo ng oil. So unahin na natin to para hindi rin makrowd doon sa ating chopping board. Habang nagsisear or nagbabrown yung ating chicken, yung ating ginger naman, lagay lang din natin. And syempre, yung ating tanglad. Tanglad in. Lagyan na din natin ng leeks. And then finally, yung ating papaya. Timplahan natin ng patis. And then of course, para mapalambot natin, kailangan natin ng sabaw. Ito na yung isa sa mga kakaibang karakteristik ng chicken binakol paggamit nga natin ng buko juice. Yung mga pinakamahihirap na part, nagawa na natin. So tatakpan lang natin to. We will slow cook this for almost 2 hours. Dahil dun sa laki at saka yung edad ng manok na niluluto natin, aabutin ng ganong katagal. And then, lalagyan natin ng ating pinaka-buko meat. So at this point, almost 2 hours na nating pinalalambot yung ating chicken. And I had to replenish din yung ating buko juice kasi syempre sa tagal nung cooking process, nagre-reduce din siya. So yun lang yung mga aspeto na kailangan mong alalayan pag ganito yung tipo ng karne na hinahandle mo. Kailangan bantayan mo ng sabaw. And then of course, lagyan din natin ng dahon ng sili. And then yung iba, pang-garnish na lang natin. And then syempre, yung ating buko. Pwede na nating patayin yung ating apoy. Pwede na tayo mag-serve.
The beauty of Japan.
Yan, kitang-kita mo pagpasok pa lang eh. Ang ganda ng greenhouse eh.
And the flavors of Japan.
It's a spot na masarap ma-hit once in a while.
Right in the heart of Cavite? Tara! Diyan tayo magpo-food trip mamaya.
tayo direct.
Dito, Peter.
So to Food Explorers, habang nag-enjoy sila, tip lang din, kapag gantong bakbakan yung napuntahan ninyo, tapos isa dun sa mga tahong or halaan after maluto, nakasarap pa rin, huwag nyo na siyang piliting buksan at kainin. Nangyari dyan, malamang patay na to nung naluto, kumbaga hindi na siya fresh, so hindi na siya ganon ka-safe. Hindi naman siya laging deadly or anything, but para lang makaiwas sa food poisoning, discard nyo na to.
Ito. Yata ko talaga. Okay.
Kaya takpan mo yung tenga mo.
Okay.
Amateur.
Bibili ako ng stand. Paano ba?
Sabihin mo,
Ayun na. Pakita mo muna siya pa na yan.
etos lang naman to.
Dadalhin 3 bagay sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Ay, ang hirap naman. Siguro, number 1, skincare. Number 2, vitamins. Kasi parang kailangan ng madaming vitamins doon. And number 3, peace of mind. 3 tao sa bahay. Si Khalil, mami ko, tsaka daddy ko. Bahay ko na din, no? Oh. Ayan, mga kapuso, mga kapamilya, I'm inviting you to watch PBB Celebrity Collab. Thanks for watching ATM.
First time ko din na makatanggap ng ganitong klaseng material. So thank you so much for considering me. Napakaganda ng material na to. That's why, no-brainer. I automatically accepted it. Sa lahat po ng creatives and to the whole team, maraming salamat din po for considering us. Tsaka this is definitely one for the books. Ito yung isa din sa mga inaabangan din ng mga tao. Ng mga audience natin na, wow, kakaibang storya na naman ang inilikha ng View and ng GMA, and it's something to be proud of. I'm very grateful and I am humbled to be surrounded by such talented people in this room. Maraming salamat po. This character is so sophisticated. It's my first time doing this level of sophistication in a soap. And I'm so happy that we're also collaborating with View. We're like hitting 2 birds in 1 stone with the audience. I'm so excited to learn new things from my castmates, from my director, and from our production. Thank you so much.
Dark interiors, small dining spaces. Ito ang kinasanayan na nating itsura ng modern Japanese restaurant sa Metro Manila. Taliwas yan sa dining experience na handog ng isang Japanese cafe sa Alfonso, Cavite. Yung concept nyo, sa lahat ng pwede nyong i-execute, bakit Japanese?
It comes from a personal place eh. Paborito ko talaga yung Japanese food. Pati yung family namin. Japanese culture.
Yan, kitang-kita mo pagpasok pa lang eh. Pero when you think of Japanese cuisine, Japanese culture, iba yung naiisip kong itsura.
Okay.
Kasi pagpasok mo dito, ang ganda ng greenhouse eh. Parang ganun yung feel, tama ba? Were you after the greenhouse effect?
Yan, exactly, chef, yun yung hinahanap namin. Kasi tama yung sinabi nyo, pag inisip mong Japanese restaurant, izakaya yan, yung medyo madilim, black,
medyo
red.
masikip.
Correct.
Yes.
Food. Oh. Yun yung tamang city experience ng restaurants in
Yeah.
Japan. That's really authentic.
Yeah.
Pero we wanted to show an alternative experience na bagay dito sa surroundings. No? I-take advantage natin yung cool weather, yung magandang rolling hills,
Yeah.
yung trees, no? Nitong environment natin, no? Which is very Japanese. Pag lalabas kayo actually ng Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka,
Okay.
these are the places that Japanese people like to go to,
Yeah.
no? Yung
Okay.
palabas ng syudad, 'di ba? Maaliwalas.
So we have ramens here. We have maki.
That's the Ebi Dragon Maki. No?
Okay.
Yung roll. Yan yung best seller, no? Almost every table that goes to Zenzen would have one.